Omo di put
make up for no na bra Jerry post potato na say me kwam ni mushu
Munya botre Jerry's kitchen e ba wo de munya botre me de aduan better
what say what Jerry ndidi na Jerry's kitchen
Jerry's kitchen pa
Jerry's kitchen
yes
yeah it's over my breakfast lunch
best sort of fine
munya wow there that mon call Instagram Jerry Justice and you made the did o de better ho na me say browse ade achi bia ni mu nsem okrum ase say akwa bia wa be friend you AY for you
me dey sa akwa no me dey
Brajery
yes we should be creative what you say I mean sometimes out of the box but actually and also we should go to the extremes akwa no
Brajery
I dey feel am
what's in your punches no
but and I make case I dey feel am but adwaman sem bi oye me broso dodo
do be all kind say jumbe ba ye gina ebu
and crowd dey sound there sa ba ku bi a wo se wo no ne ade listen I mean come on
but well other
na oba wo hwe video na oba no pie fi wo na wo keka mu ade ne tuma bo mu odwane afi no awo no break no be help ma what's this
oh baje me who say industry is say you know untimi break it through sir just so we be men ni bounce
and you better show your talent you am kwa because ono na mo kwa chat
omu ye na dey appoint be ram
me who so dey appoint be rescue he is the goat
he's the goat in tiana ade achi say ya na super buy omu so ni mu super ala super
oh
but made the mechanician and say wabana say so I recognize no masoni mu no on your wild na on drop it up because me tie the punches no me who so ya do a good rapper or punches or yes a hardcore raw
drama 70 film no onye your man ni now
raw hip hop no on your wild na you realize no set Kwe on Facebook was Jerry's kitchen at the wait Eva Asare Sandy I like everything about you from Italy oh thank you I wish I can Italian language be wo anka kame de fe
kase adopo manka adopo ono abeti ase obuze
oh Nana do say Jerry you are right thank you it's too much what is going on in Ghana I think say we are on talents oh by doing so na ana mo se o etemo ya mo nye yemu ne me ye no ba me kan say ase ne ma no what is street ya e sa abodam some side want to so my kakwa na me do ko Zambia yes sex workers say wo hoi ene omo na ebo aban ama ya trace omo coronavirus ayomo
sex workers
sebi asha
omo so abanfa so
because yes omo jina junction to junction so omo hu mema na eremu koba omo a edi agro ne ba bia no yes omo abo aban e wo Zambia ho trace e hu mema omaye eden omenya bed I didn't think corona
yeah
it's you know I think say omo ho abanfa so nti aban hwe na onfantria omo kana baje na more question of the day me drop ya too much na me ba
okay
na makenkan ababa wa bi a woni abrantie bi wo ho that time no mu dating ena abrantie ni nya some scholarship bi also kwa buchi na girl ne papa ewu ne last japade odija na ye dan ena girl ne ton ne papa dan e the sponsor boy ne kwa buchi ne education BBM say boy ne nya adwuma wa buchi ho na ba bi o ye adwuma no ona no broni ne so ope no or mine say obey second wife so ne yire o Ghana nye den enkasa
wow
na abrantie ne de ato ne yire nanim na yire ne se ompene and abrantie no so say nya wona me bedi wachi awu hiani enti no no so say on the oni broni be koso girl no so Ghana so the on try no oni broni ne nkoso de beje no enti bra na very confused say wonye den
but broni there she's willing to be second wife
because I can't say you Africa broni na tiase ba ye Africa wife no also on tiase ne en tiase china enti no say no onya na ye ne yemfa duane nye no obi ka se duabo papa ben ko ba bia ana say onni hia sa no mbre say wa ampa ma me na adwuma bebo no obi ma so ti braje mato ama o mu nya me adoma watchna na me ko if the rhyme say no ba hasi
me hu say na
say o sister fiance rap sister fiance rap what a rap and come me church us out Twitter say
no Dios
I just say phones no nya me adoma
na borrow somebody in some way
oh my goodness
so escape blink say in them
about your MTN say me
remix the new artists where they come the force of page Rough and smooth.
Yes, MTN I make sure say.
Those boys who really know.
And we also be memorizing 1,001 short codes to retrieve.
Ghana the day.
Experience a complete one-click access to all MTN services. With my MTN app. What check your airtime, the data, and then your Momo balance. What bundles with your airtime.
TV3
or MTN Momo. One monitor your data usage as well as calls made. Wow, 6 a.m. MTN Momo account and so